are back in the 2026 Dodge Charger. We're just going to do a couple runs down the 8th mile strip. We've got Michael here sitting right seat with us. We're going to do a line lock burnout and then a couple launch controls. He'll walk us through the whole process. Let's hop in, get our settings figured out, and then we'll go for a drive.
Now it's already in launch control.
Nice. 3200
has been, that's the top, but that's where this has really felt the best.
Okay.
I've done it 22, 28, and 32. It launches really good at 32.
Nice. Good. It tracks pretty grippy.
Yeah.
So good. Okay.
Pretty grippy, and with the all-wheel drive, this thing just launches and goes.
Awesome.
Now, what you want to do with the left foot on the brake, activate your launch control.
So you gotta press it.
Press it.
Okay.
Now, a lot of brake.
A lot of brake. Yep.
Now go
throttle.
wide open throttle and hold
Cool.
the brake. Pop your foot off the brake.
Great.
Stay on the gas.
Nice.
And off the gas. There you go.
Nice.
So to use line lock, so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go back in, because we got to put it in rear wheel drive.
So we want sport, rear wheel drive. We got to be stopped for that.
Yeah, and the other thing that you'll notice is, like, if we were in auto, rear wheel drive is not an option.
That's right.
So you have to go to sport for rear wheel drive. So now we're in rear wheel drive. So now go back to our race options, and we're back in, and your line lock. First thing, activate. A lot of brake pressure. Push and hold. Keep it down. Foot off the brake. Hold the OK button. Now start giving me throttle. Give me some pretty good throttle. Keep going. Now let go of the OK button. Now off the gas.
Cool. Got it. Nice.
So that's kind of how that works. Now what we want to do is we want to kind of come to a stop here.
Yep. Put us back.
You want to go back in launch control.
All right.
So you're already set. So now you're good to go.
And we're in all-wheel drive again?
Yep.
Okay.
We're in all-wheel drive.
Okay.
Now you probably went a little too soon.
Sure. Okay.
Because it'll probably time out.
It'll want me to do it when we're staged.
Right.
Okay.
So once you pull up, once you see, just stage the top lights.
Okay.
And then come to a stop. Boom. Now, activate your launch control.
Okay.
And then just kind of bump in.
Just bump in and then go.
After,
all right.
Bump in.
Got it.
Now ease in till you light them. A lot of brake. All the way to the floor. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. All right.
Nice. Getting the hang of it.
And off the gas.
Nice.
That
Okay.
one feel pretty good.
That felt great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I'm sure once you get used to the operation of everything, muscle memory just kicks in. You got it, and it's
It really
boom,
is.
boom, done.
It's just kind of getting used to the process, right?
Sure.
It's like anything else.
Yep.
I mean, the first time a pilot got in the cockpit of a plane, he didn't know exactly the procedure on it.
That's right.
So.
No, it's a good system. That's great. That's cool. It's nice you don't have to switch back into all-wheel drive after doing the line lock burnout.
Right, that it automatically just puts you back.
Yep. Cool. Thank you.
No problem.
Nice. Put that down there. I think this is actually my first time on an 8th mile dragway. What's a good time out here?
We've been running low 8s, high 7s. What'd you
Okay,
get?
7944.
That's a good run.
All right, nice. One more?
Yeah. You want to do one more?
Let's do one more.
Let's go do one more.
Yeah. All right, so activate.
Now just
Bumping in.
Hard brake, all throttle. That was a good 60 foot. That was a 189.
Nice, nice. That felt good.
Yeah, I think that was your best 60 foot.
Okay, cool. We'll end on a good run.
It's not bad, huh?
Not too shabby. We'll keep that time slip. Take it home. That's fun. It's been a while since I've done drag racing. A lot of road course stuff, a lot of drifting, a lot of other
road
stuff.
Course stuff and everything, you know, and that's what we're normally doing with all of our different things, right? Like for a decade, I went all over the country giving drift rides in the Hellcats.
Oh yeah, cool. Yep.
You know, so
awesome. Thank you much.
You know, it's nice that, you know, and I've ran them on the drag strip and stuff and everything, road course stuff when we did media stuff. The fact that we've got like all 3 disciplines to do on the launch for this, for it, I think is pretty cool.
That's great. No, it's been a fun day so far. I'm excited to see what the drift course is like.
Yeah, you can just kind of
pull over to the right here.
Yeah, this open lane and
Cool.
kind of pull up just behind the, to the left of it.
Left of the blue?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Blue and,
Michael, thanks so much.
hey, man.
That was fun.
Thanks for coming out. I hope you had a great day.
Yeah, this is great. Appreciate you.
All right, man.
Yep.
You have a good one.
7899.
That's a good one.
Not bad. All right, we'll take it. 91 miles an hour.
That's like hitting the last shot, man, before you walk off the court.
Good, that feels good. All right, cool. All right, that was fun. Fastest time was a 7899, which feels pretty darn good. Let's see here. What's reaction was 0.188 and good 60-foot time. Nice. All right, cool. I don't know what half this stuff means because I'm not as familiar with 8th mile runs, but car felt great. It launches hard, super consistent. All-wheel drive helps a lot, and of course we've got the stickier tires on here. These are the Goodyear Eagle Supercar 3s, 305 35 R20s. Nice sticky rubber.